This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust your device's sleep time in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To adjust your device's sleep time, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to my Start icon down here at the bottom. I'm going to left click on it, and I'm going to go up to where it says Settings. I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on System. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Power. It says Screen and Sleep Power Mode Energy Saver. You want to click on Power. And then on this screen, right up here, Screen, Sleep, and Hibernation Timeouts. Choose what happens when your device is idle for a specified time. Click on that. And the first thing is turn your screen off after that's for your screen's timeout. I have mine set on 10 minutes. You could click the drop down. You could scroll down to the bottom. You could choose Never. You could choose 5 hours. You could choose any one of these. I'm going to leave mine where it's at. The next thing down is Make My Device Sleep After. That's your computer itself. Go to sleep after. I have mine set on 15 minutes. You could click the drop down. You could choose between 1 minute all the way down to 5 hours or Never. You could click on Never. Your device will not go to sleep. The next thing down is Make My Device Hibernate After. By default it should be set to Never, but you could click the drop down. You could choose one of these others. That takes the hibernation uses less power than the sleep mode. That is how you adjust your device's sleep time in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.